What's up, adventure buddies? In this week's video, we're going to talk through Catalina Island and all the must-dos. Cue the intro. First, let's talk about the must-do activities on Catalina Island. First up, Descanso Beach Club, amazing restaurant, bar, and of course, a gorgeous beach. Next up, the zipline park. You have to check this out whether you're just a little kid or a grown adult. This is a must-do family fun adventure. Continuing on with family adventure, Putt golf, as I call it, or mini golf, is a must-do and fun activity for the entire family. Some of the other must-dos on the island: renting a golf cart and or going on a cyclone powerboat. Some of the other must-do activities in Catalina Island is getting out into the water, going on a boat ride, whether it's a glass-bottom boat tour, exploring the underwater expeditions, going on a cyclone powerboat ride, or hopping in and doing your own snorkeling or scuba diving through the kelp beds right outside the casino. So in terms of restaurants, we recommend Descanso Beach Club for a fantastic lunch out on the beach, or heading to Antonio's Cabaret or Jack's Kitchen for dinner. Along downtown Avalon, you will find a ton of restaurants that won't disappoint. So now you could take our word for it and saying Catalina Island is an awesome experience, but what fun is that? Go check it out yourself. Link down below for further information. And remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?